the purchase of 3.9 acres of land at Thad Muthlong Laskein Block in West Jaintia Hills. This is for the establishment of an integrated Lakadong turmeric processing plant. As you're aware, Government of India, Donor Ministry has asked every state in the Northeast to pick up one product and to promote it. And in consultation with Donor Ministry, turmeric was the product that was selected for Meghalaya. And a total project cost of about 187 crores has been finalized, out of which the Donor Ministry and Agriculture Ministry is giving the majority amount. Exact figures are not there with me, but about close to 70-80% is coming from them. And about 30 crores or 35 crores is being invested by state government. But for that process to take forward, land is required to set up this integrated Lakadong turmeric processing plant. This, of course, is in line with the fact that turmeric is a product that is in high demand throughout the world. It's one of the USPs that we have. And we have been promoting this product a lot, and we feel that there's a huge opportunity for the state, especially for the farmers. And in line, as I said, with this entire mission mode that the Government of India has decided with the Donor Ministry, which goes in line, of course, with the Lakadong turmeric mission that we had started 6 years back. This particular land was purchased, or rather decision was made today to purchase it, where the integrated Lakadong turmeric processing plant will be set up. This is the cost is coming up to about 1.7 crores for the 4 acre, 3.972 acres, about 4 acres land.